Hey, it's me, Dave Harriman, home and auto insurance broker extraordinaire with Lone Tree Insurance. And I want to talk about home insurance deductibles. What is the right deductible for you? Well, first look at your crystal ball, find out how long it's going to be till you have a claim and how big that claim is going to be. Or if you don't have a crystal ball, you can just go with some assumptions and use math to help guide you in what will probably be the right decision. In my opinion, the way I like to think about it is time horizons. So if the difference in cost between a $2,500 deductible and a $1,000 deductible is $150 per year in the cost of the insurance policy, and the difference between a $2,500 deductible and a $1,000 deductible is $1,500 in deductible amount, that means that I would need to take $1,500, divide it by $150 per year in what the cost difference of the policy is, and that tells me I would need to go 10 years without filing a claim before that higher deductible starts to make sense. That's a pretty long time horizon, but maybe you're comfortable with that. Now on the flip side, sometimes we look at deductibles and we go, oh, holy cow, you'll save $500 per year if you go from a $1,000 deductible to a $2,500 deductible. Well, in that scenario, $1,500 difference in deductible divided by $500 in savings, you only need to go 3 years before you start coming out ahead. So when there's a big difference in cost between a high deductible and a low deductible, in my opinion, it makes sense to go with the higher deductible. But when it's a low difference in cost, go with the lower deductible. Most people have claims more than once every 10 or 15 years. So there we go. That's just my 2 cents. There's no right or wrong way. I have some clients that carry $25,000 deductibles on their home insurance, even though it only saves them $500 a year, because they know they'll never file a claim unless their house burns down. So that makes sense for them. But I carry, I think, a $1,500 or $2,500 deductible on my insurance. That was kind of the sweet spot. So if you have questions or want me to look at your deductible options, feel free to give me a call, send me an email, whatever. I love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.